Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. This week we are going to go over the sight words, but 3 out of your 4 sight words are CVC words that you should be able to spell out all by yourself. So this is going to be the easiest week of sight words for you. Okay, so the first one is run. That is a CVC word with the U sound in the middle. Run. You're going to say it, spell it, say it. And at this point, we all know how to sing our 3-letter words, right? R-U-N, R-U-N. That spells run, R-U-N. And make sure to come up with a good sentence. Your next sight word is sat. Sat means that you already sat down. It's something that has happened in the past. The one word that you would use if you were doing it now would be sit. So you know how to sound out this word too because it's a CVC word with an A in the middle. At. It's part of the at family that we learned about. And you can say it, spell it, say it, and sing it. Make sure you come up with a good sentence. Your next word is yes. We love hearing the word yes because that means you are agreeing to something. Yes, I would love to have some ice cream right now. Yes is a CVC word with an E in the middle. Y-E-S, y-es, yes. So you can say it, spell it, say it, and sing it. Make sure to come up with a good sentence for the word yes. And your last word for this week is a color, purple. We all know the color purple. Go on a hunt in your house today to see how many purple things that you can find and let us know. We're going to say it, purple, spell it, P-U-R-P-L-E, say it, purple, and sing it. P-U-R-P-L-E, 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 P-U-R-P-L-E. That is purple. Have a great week, everyone.